Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can create a Binance account on mobile. So make sure to watch the video till the very end and let's begin. First, open the Binance app on your mobile device. Now, here you can sign up using your Google or alternatively, you can sign up with your email or phone number. If you choose to sign up with email, enter your email address in the provided field. Tap on Next and then check your email inbox for a 6-digit verification code sent by Binance. Enter the 6-digit verification code you received via email into the Binance app. Tap on Submit after entering the verification code. Create a secure password for your Binance account and tap on Next to proceed. If you have a referral ID, enter it in the provided field. Otherwise, you can skip this step. Tap on Submit after entering the referral ID if applicable. To fully set up your account, you will need to verify your identity. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. This usually involves providing personal information and documents for verification purposes. Once your account is created and verified, you will see a confirmation message indicating that your account has been successfully created. To buy and trade on Binance, you may need to further verify your identity. Tap on Verify to proceed. Follow the instructions provided to complete the identity verification process within the given time frame. This may involve additional steps such as providing more documents or taking a selfie for identity verification. So that's basically how you can create a Binance account on mobile. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.